Another day and I'm back with another new video. What is happening guys? Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because we have something special from Sony. These are the most affordable wireless TWS ever launched by Sony in India guys. It's their all new WF series C510. So Sony is offering like value for money features at this price point. I'm actually a bit surprised guys. Available in 4 different colors, as I've told you. Model is called as C510 and main highlights would be you're getting their premium 6mm drivers with high quality sound and all the smart features. Ambient sound mode is there, Bluetooth version 5.3, Sony's multi-point connect is also available, IPX4 rated water resistant as well, and plenty of other features. Main highlight would be its battery life, 22-hour battery life. So today in this video I'll be sharing like my detailed and experienced feedback, like basically how do they perform for that price point. And to make this video more exciting, what I'll do is I will literally give one of these TWS as a giveaway gift to a lucky subscriber on the channel. So basically there's nothing you need to do, just make sure to like this video guys, and once this video crosses 1500 likes I will give one unit to a lucky subscriber picked randomly from the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment, otherwise how I'm gonna pick the winner. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new TWS from Sony came in this sort of packaging, and as I've told you, model we'll be checking out today is their all new WF series C510 TWS, just launched recently in the Indian market and comes in 4 different colors along with your regular black and white edition. You're also getting a brand new blue color and yellow color as well, which I'll be showing you people in this video. The earbuds came in this sort of packaging. You have the Sony branding, picture of the product on the front side along with all of its main highlights and features mentioned. Features look quite promising. You're getting a total of 22 hours of battery life. Sony's multi-point connect option is also there, plus ambient sound mode as well for this price point. And as soon as you open the box, there you go boys, we have some paperwork at the top side, just make sure to read that. Keeping that aside, these are the brand new TWS, come nicely packed in this carry case. And oh wow, look at the color over here guys, very subtle color, right? Really like these pastel sort of colors that Sony has went for. Along with that, you're also getting some extra set of ear tips included in the package. And that's it about the unboxing part. Now let me give you closer look at the carry case, and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Sony's all new C510 TWS come in this cylindrical sort of carry case, and initial impressions, I'm really liking this brand new pastel colors guys, very subtle yellow. Talking about the design and build quality, entire body is made of like polycarbonate material, and on the front side you have like a tiny status LED indicator, and at the back side you're getting a Type-C port for charging, plus a Bluetooth pairing button is also there. And quickly opening it, there you go boys, these are the brand new Sony C510 TWS I was talking about. Come in the same yellow color finish just like the carry case, and I have to mention earbuds are super lightweight guys. Each of them weigh only around like 4.6 grams. And talking about the case roughly weighs around like 30-31 grams. So even if you want to carry them in your pocket, right, not an issue at all. And at the top side you have a physical button over here to access different sort of features and functions, and on the bottom side you're getting a microphone and also some charging contacts. Even the quality of the ear tip included is also nice. So what I'll do is I'll use these earbuds for a couple of days, and then I'll be back to share my experience and talk about the sound quality, comfort and all the details. So keeping the unboxing part aside, now let's move on and talk about the comfort and overall feel of these earbuds. As I've told you just now during the unboxing part, each of these earbuds are only around like 4.6 grams guys, super lightweight, and offer a very comfortable and snug fit. So good thing is, even if you do a bit of outdoor jogging or any sort of sport activity, right, they won't fall off your ear. And again, as I've told you guys, these earbuds are also IPX4 rated, sweat and water resistant, so that is also an added benefit. If you ask about the setup and connectivity, to super simple guys. These are Bluetooth version 5.3 earbuds, and yes, they do support fast pair option. As soon as you take out the TWS from the case, your phone will automatically detect them, and the setup part could be done in less than 2 to 3 minutes, so not an issue at all. And talking about the usage, as I've told you at the beginning, both these earbuds have like physical buttons on board to access different sort of features and functions. Say suppose you want to access that ambient mode, right, you can do that using this physical button on the left earbud. The right earbud can be used to like play, pause the music and stuff like that. Plus apart from that, you can even assign like custom functions, double tap button or triple tap button, right? You can assign these functions using Sony's Headphones Connect app. Alright, moving on, let's get to the main aspect of the earbuds. How is the overall sound quality on them? So before I say anything, first of all keep in mind that these are like the most affordable wireless TWS from the company, so don't expect like premium quality results or don't compare them with their premium 1000X series guys, it wouldn't make sense. But again, I have to tell you, for the price that you're paying, you're actually getting like good quality sound experience on these TWS. C510, as I've told you, feature 6mm drivers and do offer like hi-fi sound. I've been using these TWS for quite some time, played variety of music tracks of different genres and had like a pleasant experience. First of all, let me tell you, mids were sounding crisp and clear and vocal clarity was also good. In fact, they had a warm and mellow sound signature. I could easily hear and understand all the dialogues, either it be like music or even like movie content as well. And talking about the bass, low frequency response was actually pretty good, I would say, guys. It definitely had like a nice kick in the bass, especially if you're listening to like EDM music. But coming to the treble performance, I felt the overall emphasis on the high frequency response was a bit less, and because of this, the drivers were not able to produce fine details like silky smooth treble. So on a flat sort of profile, right, it was producing like a very soft and mellow sound signature. But not to worry, if you're like an audiophile, right, you do have like a custom EQ option, guys, on Sony's Headphones Connect app. Simply open the app and tune the EQ as per your requirement. So yes, you can easily increase the high frequency response from over here and balance out the overall sound signature and profile. And yes, you might even ask about the audio codec support, right? Since these are like affordable category model, you're not getting LDAC support, you're only getting SBC and AAC audio codec support. And Bluetooth version, as I've told you, is 5.3, and apart from this, you're also getting support for Sony's multi-point connection. That means you can pair these TWS to two devices at the same time and use them simultaneously, guys. So very useful feature. And wait a second, I forgot to talk about the microphone quality. The TWS do come with a built-in microphone, and the audio that you're hearing right now is being directly recorded via these TWS earbuds, guys. Hello, check 1 2 3. What do you people think? Do let me know what you think about the microphone quality in the comment section down below. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Battery life on this model is very good, guys. So on a moderate sort of usage, if you're using these earbuds, say around like 55 to 60% of volume level, right, then you can easily expect around like 9 to 10 hours of battery life on the earbuds alone. And not to miss out, the case also comes with like built-in battery, right? That will offer you like additional 10 to 11 hours of battery. So totally, once you charge the entire kit, you can easily expect around like 20 to 21 hours of battery life, guys. So pretty decent, I would say. Not to miss out, you're also getting like quick charging support, right? And 5 minutes of quick charge will offer you around like 1 hour of music playback session. Well, that's it, boys. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Sony's all new WF series C510 TWS. Good quality TWS for the price that you're paying. You're getting a comfortable and lightweight design. On top of that, ambient sound mode is also available, and not to miss out, IPX4 rated, water resistant as well, and plenty of EQ customizations and stuff. And not to miss out, really good battery life as well. As I've told you at the beginning, these TWS are coming with a special limited time price offer where you're getting 1000 rupees instant discount if you're using select credit cards. So the effective pricing will be only around like 3990 rupees, guys, and this offer will be valid up to like 31st. Later, once the offer period is over, the regular price is going to be around like 4990 rupees. Links for that will be available in the description box below, and you can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got lots of information, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.